Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make gradient color to outline of shape in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, go to a blank page. Then go to the tool section and select the shapes tool. Then draw a shape. Now we want to add the gradient color outline. Select the move tool, then select the stroke option, and we can see here the gradient option. Then we change the outline color gradient. Then select the white option and change the outline white. Now we can see we make gradient color outline to shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.